Hey, Chloe, did you talk to the team today?
Yes, but it was weird. No one said anything about the problem.
Oh, that sounds like the elephant in the room.
Exactly. Everyone knows the problem, but no one wants to talk about it.
Did Mark tell you about the surprise event?
Yes, he totally let the cat out of the bag.
Really? It was supposed to be a secret.
I know, he didn't mean to. He just said it without thinking.
Are we still going to the meeting now?
Hold your horses. We need the updated report first.
Oh, right. I was moving too fast.
Yes, let's check the file before we go.
So, how's your brother doing?
He's fine. He's still the black sheep of our family.
Why do you say that?
Everyone in my family is super quiet, but he's loud and wild.
Sounds fun.
Oh, he is, but he definitely doesn't fit in.
So, today we had the elephant in the room. Someone let the cat out of the bag. I needed to hold my horses, and your brother is the black sheep.
Yes, we used all the idioms today.
Good practice, right?
The best practice.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another fun lesson on English idioms. Today we'll explore idioms that come from animals. These expressions make your English sound more natural and colorful. The idioms are the elephant in the room, let the cat out of the bag, hold your horses, and the black sheep. Let's begin. The first idiom is the elephant in the room. It means a big problem or topic that everyone knows about, but no one wants to talk about.
Everyone was silent at the meeting.
Yeah, no one mentioned the budget cuts. It was the elephant in the room.
So, the elephant in the room means an obvious issue people are ignoring. The next idiom is let the cat out of the bag. It means to reveal a secret by mistake.
Did you tell Sarah about the surprise party? Oops, I let the cat out of the bag.
So, let the cat out of the bag means to accidentally tell a secret. The third idiom is hold your horses. It means to slow down or wait before taking action.
Let's buy the tickets now. Hold your horses. We should check the price first.
So, hold your horses means be patient or think before you act. The last idiom is the black sheep. It means someone who is different from the rest of their family or group, often in a negative way.
Everyone in my family is a doctor.
And you're an artist? You must be the black sheep.
So, the black sheep means someone who doesn't fit in with the others. Now let's practice with 20 questions. Answer first with a short response, then repeat the idiom in a full sentence. If everyone avoids talking about a big problem, is it the elephant in the room? Yes, it is. It's the elephant in the room. Does the elephant in the room mean a small, unimportant topic? No, it doesn't. It means a big issue everyone ignores. If your coworkers stay quiet about a mistake, is that the elephant in the room? Yes, that's right. It's the elephant in the room. If you tell a secret by accident, do you let the cat out of the bag? Yes, you did. You let the cat out of the bag. Does let the cat out of the bag mean to keep a secret? No, that's not true. It means to reveal a secret. If a friend says, oops, I told her, did they let the cat out of the bag? Yes, they did. They let the cat out of the bag. If someone is rushing to make a decision, should you tell them to hold their horses? Yes, you should. Tell them to hold their horses and wait. Does hold your horses mean to move faster? No, it doesn't. It means to slow down and be patient. If your brother wants to buy a car without checking the price, what could you say? Hold your horses, think before you buy. If one family member always does things differently, are they the black sheep? Yes, they are. They are the black sheep of the family. Does the black sheep mean someone who is exactly like everyone else? No, that's false. It means someone who is different or doesn't fit in. If everyone is quiet about bad news at work, what idiom fits? The elephant in the room. If you accidentally told a secret, which idiom fits? Let the cat out of the bag. If your sister acts totally different from the rest of your family, is she the black sheep? Yes, she is. She's the black sheep. If your friend rushes into decisions, what should you say? Hold your horses. If someone says, don't tell anyone about this, and you do, what happened? You let the cat out of the bag. If a teen ignores a serious problem, are they facing the elephant in the room? No, they aren't. They're avoiding the elephant in the room. If a cousin dresses totally different from everyone, what could you call him? The black sheep of the family. If your friend wants to make a fast decision, what can you tell them? Hold your horses, be patient. If your class avoids talking about a failed project, what idiom faced? Is the elephant in the room?